Okay, so I haven't visited Kano in like 4 months now, and today I'm visiting Kano and I'm so excited about it. I just feel like I haven't been home in like forever, and this is the longest I've ever been away from home, and I'm so happy to like meet everybody. My friend is already meeting me at the airport because he just can't wait to see me. And yeah, and my flight is 7, so I have to be at the airport by 4 or 5. And you know, knowing Lagos, how it can be, so I have to leave this house by 4 if I'm ever going to make it to the airport. I can't wait to see everybody. I mean, so I packed like a week ago because I'm the kind of person before traveling, I like pack 2 weeks before traveling. Everything is just there. So I don't like stories like, oh my god, I forgot my charger, or oh my god, I forgot this, I forgot my toothbrush. I travel with everything that I need, so I don't forget anything. So when I'm traveling, I make sure that I get ready before time. Well, for the meantime, just I'll keep you updated, and I'm so happy. Few weeks off, a few hours to go. Bye. Okay, it's time. My driver is here, and I'm ready to go. Okay, so this is like my favorite waiting area in the Murtala Airport in Lagos, because one of the reasons why I love this place is you can actually see the view, you can actually see the flames from up here, and it kind of have a really nice view. I wish it wasn't that dark. I would have shown you. Let me see if I'll be able to do that. Okay, this is the view I was talking to you about. It's really nice, especially I just normally come here, relax, have a cup of hot chocolate or something, and I'll just chill. So I have like a few more hours to go. It's just 6:37 and our flight is going off at 7:30. So I have like 1 more hour to go. So I just made it to Kano Airport. I can't wait to see Abdul. Abdul! Oh my god, it's so good to see you.
So we are going by air.
Show us the bag. Sapolo?
Sapolo.
This is Zainab Bashir. Hi guys, so I'm in one of our favorite spots in Kano where we normally just hang out and just chill. I would like you to meet Sultan.
Hello, I'm Sultan.
Our artist.
This is our favorite spot.
Sing us something.
Not today. Not today.
Okay, this is the place.
Rawa a gaban gada, kakalangu da 'yan mata an hada, ga guda da ganga a rangwada, domin sautin zuwa take da lagwada.
So if there's anything I learned from being in Lagos is that majority of the people in Lagos don't know what Kano looks like. So I took it upon myself to like show around Kano. It hasn't been an easy job though, but I'm trying. You can give me that. So I'm out here in Kano doing some videos for you guys, and I'm really tired, and the good thing is I'm allowed to make videos in close to the government house.
Flow sicker than malaria. Nan daga arewacin Nigeria. Ofishin gwamna har gaban sakatariya. Har gaban sakatariya. Ka ji daɗin duniya. Ki ji daɗin duniya. Allah samu gama lafiya. So ku ji daɗin duniya. Classic.
To admire yourself every once in a while.
Haba malam mai dole sautin Sultanin Sokoto Dan Kumbo Dahiru Mangal Baba Atiku Abba Atiku Muhammad Abacha Ahmadin Nimi Inuwa Baba Muri Tafida Isayola Aminu Dogo Jamil Tamboy Roni Dankabo Haski Abdul Tahir Kano Sayo Dan Tata Samad Rabiu Abulolo Naala
Yeah. Karuwa Abdul would know better than everybody. We are going to get this evidence. Okay then. Abdul Abba. Pick 3. If you dare call my name. So what color? What color? Red. I can. Up. Take us out now. Red, catch it? Yeah. Back to blue. Blue. I just played blue. One color? Wow, red. One nickel piece. What? I don't know what nickel piece. Seriously? Another customizer book card? Emir is picking 10. I'm doing. Take 3. Give me my pipe. This is going to end in tears. Premium tears. Take 2. And I already know who's going to end up in tears. Take 2. I am rejected. Okay, do you want them just to say hi? Son? Oh yeah. You see?
Oh yeah, keep the game going.
I just want to challenge that.
Exactly, you can't just be going.
You
You just trip and fall, and it'll be like a mistake. So we're actually playing a Uno game. So whoever wins, whoever loses is supposed to do whatever he's asked of. Maybe jump in the water.
Yeah, you guys should ask me of something else, but not going to.
Jump in the water?
Jump in the water. Are you out of your senses?
collect number?
Number. Something more. Something more.
So the challenge, the loser gets to do what? Get to fall into the water, right? Deal?
Not deal. Not deal. Not deal. I can't do it. Yeah.
Ai shi ne sai kika bakin banza ba? You have to. Wallahi,
You have
was
to.
me, I would do it.
Can I gave an order pizza.
Wallahi kai.
Too harsh. When a punishment is too harsh.
Okay, if it was someone that wallahi je ka. No. Sai kai. Kawai ruwa zaka fada ka cire takalmi. What the fuck? No way! Honestly, I really had a great time last night. I mean, I can't remember the last time I had that much fun. It has always been me alone in Lagos, and it feels so good to like feel like my old self again, where you're just surrounded by, you know, amazing people, you know, people you love and everything, and, you know, hanging out. I almost forgot what hanging out feels like, because but yesterday I'm really glad. I mean, I'm really happy. I had a really great time, and thanks to all the people that were there. So before yesterday, Amira has been talking about how she's the queen of Uno, and then she'll beat me and stuff like that. You know, she's been singing that song for like, I can't even remember. But guess who won? Me, of course. I mean, do you even think there's going to be any other winner? Yeah, that's me. I've already packed. I'm ready to leave. And honestly, I really don't want to go. I came back late last night and I didn't get the chance to charge my phone. It's I think I went straight to sleep from the when I got home. So I'm out of battery, and now I'm waiting for my Bolt driver, and I have a 10 a.m. flight. So yeah, I'm just feeling a little bit out of it, but I just want this video to go.